Good morning, everyone, and TGI Friday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and happy Canada Day to all of my fellow Canadians, and happy beginning of the July 4th long weekend down here in the States. Just a reminder that the stock market is closed on Monday for the holiday. Last night, I had the opportunity to interview five-star analyst Daniel Ives in the very first episode of our Analyze This series, where we'll be chatting with some of the smartest minds on Wall Street. Now, I will be posting a highlight reel here on YouTube later, but the entire interview is currently available over on TipRanks TV, so go and check it out and let me know what you think. Now, this morning, we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news. Not much happening for earnings report with the Friday ahead of the long weekend, but we will see which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers as well. So let's get right into it. U.S. stock futures are in the red this morning as the S&P 500 has booked its worst first half of the year since 1970, and the Dow has booked its worst first half since 1962. Currently, Dow futures are down 0.39%, S&P 500 futures down 0.45%, and NASDAQ futures down 0.5%. Shares of department store Kohls are down after they said they've ended talks of a sale to the franchise group and cut future outlook. CNBC reported late on Thursday that they're no longer planning to sell their business to the franchise group, according to two people familiar with the matter. They said that the retail environment has significantly deteriorated since the beginning of the bidding process. They've also cut the outlook for the fiscal second quarter, citing softer consumer spending. The Kohl stock is currently rated a hold with an average upside of 38%. In the ongoing saga of who will eventually end up buying Spirit Airlines, JetBlue has extended their current offer. JetBlue's offer to purchase Spirit Airlines for $30 per share was previously set to expire yesterday on June 30th. This was the same day that Spirit Airlines once again postponed their special shareholders meeting for them to vote on the deal with Frontier. JetBlue is now saying that they'll extend their offer to 5 p.m. of Friday, July 29th. Both Frontier and JetBlue have sweetened their deals over the past few months in their bid for Spirit Airlines. The Frontier's deal currently values Spirit at roughly $2.4 billion, while JetBlue's all-cash offer totals them at about $3.6 billion. The JetBlue stock is currently rated a hold with an average upside of 70%, and the Spirit Airlines stock is rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 11%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. Now, as I mentioned, we don't really have anyone reporting today, just being Friday before the long weekend, but last night we did hear from Micron. Their stock is sliding after they posted better than expected results for this quarter, but their future outlook disappointed. Micron had reported adjusted earnings of $2.59 per share, 15 cents higher than analyst estimates and significantly higher than the prior year. Their revenue also rose over 16% year over year to $8.64 billion. But due to ongoing macroeconomic uncertainty and the expected muted demand for their offerings, they guided for sluggish growth in Q4. They're now expecting revenue to fall between $6.8 and $7.6 billion, when the consensus was much higher at $9.13 billion. Analysts currently rate the stock a strong buy with an average upside of 56%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Invesco. Their stock seems to be rallying back after hitting a new low yesterday following an analyst downgrade. Under the ticker IVZ, the stock is up 8.2%. They're followed by Cytokinetics under CYTK, up nearly 7%, and Snap-on under the ticker SNA, up about 5.8%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Kohls on the news of no sale to the franchise group. Under the ticker KSS, the stock is down over 16.8%. They're followed by Micron under the ticker MU, currently down about 4.3%, and Philips under the ticker PHG, down about 3.8%. So that is going to be everything for Friday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. Don't forget to go check out our interview with Dan Ives over on TipRanks TV and try to stay safe around those fireworks this weekend. Have a great time, and I'll see you back here on Tuesday.